So now you have completed plus 2. Sir, how do I do CA? Very simple. To do CA, the Chartered Accountancy Institute, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, has an entrance exam called CA Foundation. Just the way people write IIT JEE, just the similar way people write IIT JEE. People who want to enter into law write CLAT. To enter into Chartered Accountancy straight from the school, from plus 2, from higher secondary, directly wanted to enter into a Chartered Accountancy, you can write CA Foundation examination straight from your school and then appear for the CA Foundation and clear your CA Foundation and get into CA Inter. And if you work really hard, and if you put into heart and soul and passion, you have a passion, you are passionate about the course. You are passionate about the course, within 1 year you can complete Chartered Accountancy Inter as well. So within 1.5 years, you can enter into the corporate world. Sir, how do I enter into a corporate world within 1.5 years, sir? Chartered Accountancy is the only course which mandates articleship program compulsorily to a aspirant, CA aspirant. Only when he fulfills the rigorous articleship training, he will be eligible to write CA final. Accordingly, the training is a mandate. Who trains you? That is very, very important. When you enter into an articleship, chartered accountants train you. If you are bright, if you are brilliant, if you are able to score good marks, even you can join big fours like PricewaterhouseCoopers, KPMG, Deloitte, Ernst & Young. They have operations in India. I myself am a product of KPMG for the articleship. And you can join articleship with the big firms, and you can also join with medium firms like medium practitioners who practice taxation, auditing and everything. You can join with them, and then you can learn the intricacies of accounting, taxation. You get a 360-degree approach in medium firms. In big fours you get specialization. In medium firms you get 360-degree approach of all the work which you can learn. Finally, in the small firm, you will not only learn the different types of work, you will also know how to manage office and over a period of time how to set up a office. All three firms have great opportunity for you to learn. And not only that, remember, for Chartered Accountancy course, you need not spend any money. While you are in articleship, the auditor pays you for learning. This is a beautiful course. So your duty is to complete CA Inter. Moment you complete CA Inter, you can get into the articleship and start earning. And after 3 years, when you are getting out as a chartered accountant after completing your CA final, the corporate world is waiting with red carpet. The corporate world is waiting with red carpet to welcome you to the corporate world with lakhs of salaries available in the market. Lakhs of salary. You will pick and choose. Can you imagine a course today? Sir, இந்த work வேணுமா அந்த work வேணுமான்னு உங்களை கேட்குறாங்க CA முடிச்ச உடனே. எனக்கு இந்த work தான் வேணும், நான் இதை தான் செய்வேன்னு சொல்லி you can choose. This course has the opportunity for choosing the career of your choice. And you can build the career over a period of time as per the wishes of your specialization. Over a period of time, you specialize and you want to shift your areas from audit or tax to consultancy, you can do that. New areas are coming up like GST, goods and service tax, FEMA, ED issues, IT areas like the systems audit. All these areas you can shift over a period of time by doing certification courses and specialized courses. My dear friends, it's a great opportunity for all of you. By pursuing this course, your transformation starts in your career. Your transformation starts in your career. So, Chartered Accountancy course is the most affordable course and it is a powerful course.